สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Cooking with Tao นะคะ Today I'm gonna show you how to cook tuna tataki with ponzoon sauce. Let's do it! These are the ingredients we will be using today. I'm using steak tuna for today. Now seasoning with salt and pepper. We're gonna do both sides. Put both sashimi on the press, so you kind of do like this. So will be mixed together. Need a little bit more. So I mix together. Put tuna. We're gonna do both sides as well. When the pan is hot, I'm gonna put tuna in. And cook for 2 minutes each side. So in the middle will be medium rare. We're gonna do ponzoon dressing, garlic, ginger paste, miso paste, soy sauce, sesame oil, and ponzoon sauce. Mix it together. Put ponzoon sauce on the top. Now it's time to taste. Yummy. I hope you enjoy my recipe and see you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ